guys, my name is Rains from Singapore. Today I'm going to show you how to transform Grindor into the helicopter and also how to stick rabbit as you see at the back right on this thing right here. It's called the rabbit. It's called rabbit. Also, you see I have a new haircut, right? Yeah. Let us focus on our video first. The first thing we have to do is to get off the weapon from the hand, from the area. Just simply pluck this off from this area, as you see. And now we're gonna use this for later, so just keep it somewhere else. Firstly, we have to fold the legs down like this. Second, same. And next, at the back you see, when you're wondering how to transform with the legs like this, well, we have to just pull it out and twist it. Very easy, and push it down. Here you can just twist it, and this tiny little hole, put it inside the tiny little thing right here and pull it up. There you go. But we're still not done yet. The next leg, same as the other leg. Okay, now done. Have to twist the legs to this side. Wait, let me check it all. Correct, this side. Because I'm a bit confused. Wait. Yeah, twist again. Now the wheels for the helicopter right here. Pull it out. This is gonna be trickier. See the back, pull this thing up from this thing right here. We're gonna use it later for the top of it. So we spin up. Now pull the skeleton skull right here up and fold it down. Fold it up and put the waist here upwards and the two legs up too. Very easy. Wait, it's a bit hard, guys. Right here, like this. See on screen. Also the other leg too. Twist. Now you have to, if you see this place, you might be wondering, this is so short. How is it even called a helicopter? You can just very easily pull it out from this area, and I can't find it here. Right here. And next, okay, you see something right here. This plug is for this. Show you later. And pull this up. What? Until you show like this. Now have to pull this up once again. And you see all these plugs right here, right? Yeah. Have to plug it in right all these places. Just very simply. Yeah, put it in here. The next is same too. we're done right now. But it's not completely. If you want to put it back for later, it's also okay. And next, the hands. It might be a bit confusing. You just have to pull this out like same as blackout and twist the hands. Fold the hands under and clench his fist and fold it down. As you see on the screen right here, the same as the left hand, like this. Now, you see these two plugs right here, you have to put it in, but you can't even do that without folding the side. We'll do it for another side, the same. This thing I need to fold. Yeah. Guys, yeah, now done. Now you have to fold the two sides the same. Before you do that, you have to pull out the two things right here. And also before you also start, just pull up. Dude, you have this, the ultimate wheel. And push the head down. And also, yeah, forgot something. Yeah, so let's pop this in first, guys. Yeah. Right here, this stuck here very hard. I mean, it's a bit easy. Yeah, like this. You see on the front. Now this, fold it out until you can get this type of shape. And here you see what this, I'm a bit tired talking. And this, you have to just, oh yeah, and also this area, I can't get this area and these two parts, yeah, can be plugged in here. But just simply yeah. Okay, right here. In. Yo, is this problem? And here you see this. This is a bit hard. This is one of the hardest transformer I had. This is not the easiest. It's around like 40 more steps. Now you're done with the side door. Oh yeah, this thing is just annoying. You have to do it repeatedly again. Don't worry, guys. Just do it at the end. And the same tool, have to do it the same way as you do it. As you do the same for this area. Same. Fold this out. We can put the A things and then we'll pull this right down. You can see right now, right? I'm a bit sure. No, nice. Plugged in. This is so hard. This is not easy at all. I have to keep on repeatedly do this again. Finally! I'm a bit tired already, my hands. And you're just gonna pull this outward. Again, this problem. And this the same. And this done. Pull this out like this. As you see right here, the top is really incomplete. Now we're left with this side. Before we fold this in, we have to do the sides first. So let me show you. Yeah. Finally done. And here we have this But it doesn't end here. You have to just fold it up, and you see all these two plugs. And don't just put it like a straight line, because when I just started playing it, just put it up like this. I don't know what am I thinking. And then you have to just slide it and turn it like this. See? There you go. Oh yeah, the problem once again, guys. This is just go. Okay, done. Now you can pull this already, like this. Now this is not a completed helicopter. Push this one. Turn it clockwise. I mean anti-clockwise. And now it has something like this. Yeah, it looks like a snowflake. Here, look. It looks like a snowflake, right? And this, the circle. Down here, the circle tool. Can't show you because this is so easy. Yeah. Boom. Here, it's plugged in. And it's completed already. So hard. It's not easy. Decepticon, Grindor, and also Ravage completed. Please like and subscribe because this is so hard to do, and almost took 1 billion of times to complete the door. It's very hard. I don't even know how much times. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in the next episode. Next video, yeah. You can just look at my cat while he's